Hi everyone! So I apologize for, again, the atrocious setup. We're back here again with the candle and the box as my tripod, so I mean, at least I'm making it work. And we also have bare face. Hi, how are you doing? Cute? Yes, I think so. I just wanted to do another get ready with me, and I have to leave in literally 25 minutes. So that's fun, you know, and that's usually when my makeup turns out. No, I'm gonna look like a mess, but you know, if I may as well get a video out of it. I also want to apologize that none of my videos so far have been an actual tutorial. Like, yes, I can do makeup decent, at least I haven't been representing myself well enough as compared to my Instagram, and that's because all these videos are rushed, but I'm like, I need to start getting content out, so eventually I'll do something that actually shows my skills, but for now, we're just gonna roll with it, because I actually really have to get ready, like really bad. So I'm gonna start off with priming. I'm gonna let the primer sit, and then I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Don't know if I'll include that, we'll see. Urban Decay Optical Illusion. Okay, my eyebrows are done. They're very messy, but hey, did I not say that this was going to be a messy tutorial? Can't at me. I'm gonna go in with the face now. I'm gonna go in with the NARS Sheer Glow foundation. Yes, we love coverage. Ooh. Just put that on the forehead. I have 15 minutes, but I have my foundation and brows done, so should be hopefully somewhat smooth sailing from here. I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealers. They're just two different shades. I need them to come out with a good in-between shade of light neutral and fair neutral, because the shades in between have such strong undertones that they're just straight up pink or yellow. And I can get away with it because I am a neutral undertone, but do I really want to be walking around with yellow under eyes? I want something hydrating for an everyday. It just wears so much better. I'm gonna use Becca's Champagne Pop. I really wanted to use that Dior highlighter. I'm like staring at it right now. I'm like, ooh girl. But you know, I know that I have literally over 20 highlighters. So maybe I'll spice it up a bit. I feel like this whole entire video, it's just gonna be like bright lights. Some of the Flowerchild blush. Apparently, even though the weather is crap here in California, I'm going for a more bronzed, sun-kissed look. I'm gonna even pop a little on the temples. Going with the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Bronzer. Take it pretty much over my entire nose. Some of MAC's Global Glow Mineralized Skin Finish. Just take that and run that pretty much all over where the highlight, blush, and bronzer would be. Set the center of my face with the Too Faced Born This Way powder. I'm just going to use the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette that's all busted. I take Georgia, use that as a transition color. I need my brows done so bad. I'm going to take Candy Peach and kind of use that to warm it up, make it a little more peachy. Baking summer yum and puree. I'm just going to take a kind of darker chocolate color, like this one from the Kat Von D Shade Light palette, because it's not intense enough. I'm going to take Luscious, pop that on the lid. I'm going to take Nectar, pop that on this. Yes. Then I'll take Bellini and put it in the center to blend everything we get, to blend the matte and shimmer shade together. Take Summer Yum one last time. Curl your lashes and mascara. I like how I said this wasn't going to be a tutorial. Okay, and then gloss. Set with Fix Plus. And thank you for watching this. I know it was complete and total trash, but hey, you're here if you even made it through it. Good for you. Like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram at MakeupByAlina.